G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan Services. Welcome back. Currently today what we're doing is we're doing a reseal on a roof. So this customer bought this van and he's bringing it into us and he said, look, see what you can find wrong with it and then get back to me. So we found a number of things that were wrong with it, but one of these items was we found that there was a lot of cracks in his silicone. And so what you'll find over time, your silicone will crack, and I think it's recommended roughly around every 10 years. It's recommended to get your roof resealed. So in this scenario, we found that there were cracks in the ceiling, quoted the customer up and he was happy to go ahead with it. So what we've done is we've scraped all the silicone off the roofs. We're going to remove most of the screws, pop some silicone back in there and then pop the screws back in. So at the moment I've just done this side basically, some of it, and then I've got the on top to go and also the other side as well. So pretty big job at this point in time, but eventually it will probably get done over today or tomorrow. If you guys have any comments or any questions, just give us a call or leave them in the comments below. Thanks.